Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands, even millions, just by leveraging Amazon? Here's the truth. Amazon isn't just an online marketplace. It's a goldmine of opportunities. Today, I'm going to show you how anyone, even without prior experience or products, can start making money using Amazon's vast ecosystem. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to turn this platform into a steady income source. I've spent years studying successful Amazon sellers, so you're learning from a proven roadmap. Let's dive in. Making money online often feels like a maze, right? You've probably heard conflicting advice or even tried methods that didn't work. Maybe you've thought about Amazon but felt overwhelmed. Where do I start? What if I fail? Here's the reality. Without a clear strategy, many people waste time and money, missing the incredible opportunities Amazon offers. For instance, Sarah, a single mom, struggled for years until she discovered Amazon FBA. Now, she's earning enough to support her family comfortably. The good news? You can do the same. Let's break down how. In this video, we'll explore 7 proven ways to make money on Amazon, from selling physical products with Amazon FBA to earning passive income through Kindle Direct Publishing, affiliate marketing, and more. You'll learn step-by-step methods, actionable tips, and real-world examples that you can apply immediately. Stay with me because the 6th strategy requires no inventory and could change your life. 1. Selling products with Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is one of the most popular ways to make money. Here's how it works. You send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle storage, shipping, and customer service. This lets you focus on sourcing and marketing your items. Imagine selling reusable water bottles. You find a supplier on Alibaba, customize the product with your brand, and ship 500 units to Amazon. With the right pricing and marketing, you can profit $5.10 per unit. That's $2,500 from a single batch. What to do now? Research trending products using tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. Start small with an initial investment of $500, and scale as you learn. The benefit? You're leveraging Amazon's logistics powerhouse, saving time, and building a scalable business. 2. Retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. Arbitrage involves buying low and selling high. With retail arbitrage, you visit local stores, find discounted items, and list them on Amazon for a profit. Online arbitrage is the same concept but done from your computer. For example, a toy discounted to $15 at Walmart can sell for $40 on Amazon. After fees, that's a $15 profit per unit. Tools like Keepa and Seller App help identify profitable products and track price trends. Actionable step. Start by scanning items in your local stores with the Amazon Seller App. Focus on high-demand, low-competition products. The benefit? This method requires minimal startup capital and is a great way to learn the ropes of Amazon selling. 3. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. If you've ever dreamed of publishing a book, KDP makes it possible with zero upfront costs. You write or outsource the creation of an ebook, upload it to Amazon, and earn royalties on every sale. A practical example? A travel enthusiast creates a guidebook for solo travelers, sells it for $9.99, and earns $7 per sale. Selling just 300 copies per month means $2,100 in passive income. What to do now? Identify a niche topic, write or hire a freelancer to create the content, and design a professional cover using Canva or Fiverr. The benefit? Passive income streams that grow with minimal ongoing effort. 4. Amazon Affiliate Marketing. As an Amazon associate, you earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. Share affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Every purchase through your link earns you a percentage. Example: a tech blogger reviews laptops and includes affiliate links. If 50 readers buy a $1,000 laptop, the 5% commission earns $2,500. Start by joining the Amazon Associates program and focusing on niches you're passionate about. Share genuine reviews to build trust and drive conversions. The benefit? No inventory or upfront costs, just creative marketing. 5. Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon lets you upload designs for apparel, mugs, and more. When someone buys your product, Amazon prints and ships it, paying you royalties. For instance, A graphic designer creates a humorous t-shirt design. At $25 per shirt, they earn $5 per sale. Selling 200 shirts monthly generates $1,000. What to do now? Brainstorm unique designs or hire a freelancer. Target trending topics to maximize appeal. The benefit? Creative income with minimal ongoing management. Each of these methods has the potential to transform your financial future. The key is to start today. Remember, every successful Amazon seller was once a beginner, just like you. Think about the freedom and security you'll gain by taking action. As they say, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. If these strategies inspired you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on building wealth and financial freedom. Comment below which method you're most excited to try, and I'll respond with extra tips. Check out the description for useful links and recommendations to kickstart your Amazon journey. And since you've stayed until the end, YouTube has selected the next best video for you to watch. It's on screen now. Click it and keep learning.